not like Star Trek where they're like, So we have two brackets in our lab that are sort of picked by two separate ion traps in our experiment. We use two ion traps. And so oddly enough, one of the experiments picked Pitt to win it all, and the other one picked Pitt's first round opponent, Wichita State, to win it all. So the one that picked Pittsburgh's not doing so well, but the one that picked Wichita State is actually doing a pretty good job. It's actually leading our entire lab competition right now amongst like the various ion traps and people. I picked like a bracket based on what I know about college basketball, and I'm doing sort of okay, but I'm still losing to an ion trap. Photons. Oh, looks like I got lots of photons. So Kansas won that game. Okay. Right down Kansas. I mean, it's March and there's more games, so it's sort of more fun. If there's only two teams playing each other, okay, you could pick like the Super Bowl or something, but it's more fun to have a bracket. Everyone sort of fills out these things, so it's more fun to have like be in competition with a bunch of other people. It takes a few minutes to kind of fill out a bracket with one of these experiments, and before going to lunch, we sort of sat down and laughed about it and said, okay, let's fill out one of these brackets. So we had a good time, and it turned out that the ion trap last year did really, really well. Got second place. There's no reason to think that like this experiment would have any kind of predictive power in college basketball. I mean, obviously it doesn't. There's no reason that the outcome of like how well a player is shooting free throws has anything to do with our lab experiment. But we just we did it because we thought it would be fun. It's just sort of a competition between different experiments. I mean, people do all kinds of goofy things, right? Like I think it was basketball where they had like an octopus pick games like a few years ago, and so I mean, obviously the octopus doesn't know anything about college basketball, just like our ion doesn't know anything about college basketball. So why not? It's just sort of a funny story to do. It only takes a few minutes and we can laugh about it. So.